High-profile court fight that's raising questions about the freedom of the press is heading back to an Alexandria courtroom this morning. The Washington Post is asking a federal judge to force the Justice Department to return electronic devices that were seized during a home search from one of its reporters. Jacqueline Quinn joining us now to break down the debate surrounding this unconventional search and seizure. Jackie, good morning.
Good morning. So this hearing is scheduled for this afternoon at 2 p.m. and the judge is expected to weigh in on whether the Justice Department must return these devices and how federal law applies in this case. At the center of the debate are questions over if the search was justified, if the reporter was not accused of a crime. So the FBI conducted the search last month at the Virginia home of Washington Post reporter Hannah Natanson. Now, agents took her phone, 2 laptops, and a smartwatch. The Department of Justice said the search was connected to an investigation into a Pentagon contractor, Aurelio Perez Lugones, who was charged with unlawfully retaining classified documents. And the Justice Department says Natanson and the Washington Post, however, were not targets of the investigation, which legal experts say raises concerns about privacy violations protected by the First Amendment that significantly limit when journalists' materials can be seized.
The reason it doesn't occur very often, it is highly invasive, it is highly threatening to this reporter, to other reporters, and to members of the public who want to talk to reporters.
Now, we should mention under federal law, it is not illegal for journalists to receive classified information, and it's not a crime to publish it. But critics say this case highlights the current administration's push to stop classified leaks.
We do not believe that individuals who have been given the privilege of holding a top secret clearance should be illegally leaking that classified information. And I know the American.
So the judge's decision in this case will be watched closely due to the precedent it may set for future freedoms of the press. Again, the hearing is at 2 and we'll have updates throughout the day. Back to you guys.